Looking to upgrade your kitchen with a powerful and affordable gas cooktop? The Forimo 22-inch by 20-inch built-in gas cooktop might be the perfect choice for you. This review dives deep into the features, functionalities, and potential drawbacks of the Forimo cooktop to help you decide if it's the right fit for your culinary needs. The Forimo cooktop boasts a versatile burner configuration catering to various cooking styles. The centerpiece is a powerful 130 mm, 3.3 kilowatts 11260 BTU triple ring wok burner. This burner provides intense heat for stir-frying, boiling large pots of water, or searing meats. 275 mm, 1.75 kilowatts 50971 BTU semi-rapid burners offer medium heat, ideal for simmering sauces, sautéing vegetables, or frying. Rounding out the selection is a 55 mm, 1.0 kilowatts 3D 412 BTU auxiliary burner that provides low heat for simmering delicate dishes or keeping sauces warm. With a total combined output of 26,614 BTU, the Forimo cooktop delivers ample power for tackling a variety of culinary tasks. Safety is paramount in any kitchen, and the Forimo cooktop prioritizes this aspect. It utilizes a thermocouple flameout fault system. This system automatically shuts off the gas supply if the flame is extinguished accidentally, preventing gas leaks and potential safety hazards. This feature provides peace of mind, especially for households with children or those who might forget to turn off the burners after cooking. The Forimo cooktop is built to withstand the demands of a busy kitchen. The cooktop surface is constructed from sleek stainless steel, offering a modern aesthetic and easy cleaning. The knobs are crafted from durable bakelite, which is heat-resistant and comfortable to grip even during extended cooking sessions. Cast iron grates provide a sturdy platform for your cookware, and they are removable for easy cleaning and maintenance. The Forimo cooktop caters to a wider audience by offering easy conversion between natural gas and liquefied petroleum gas (LPG). It comes preset for natural gas usage, but includes an easy-to-use LPG conversion kit. This allows for flexibility in fuel source selection depending on your home's infrastructure and availability. The preset LPG nozzles can be replaced with different nozzles if needed, further enhancing the cooktop's adaptability. The verdict: a budget-friendly option for home cooks who prioritize value. The Forimo 22-inch by 20-inch built-in gas cooktop emerges as a strong contender in the budget-friendly gas cooktop market. Its high-powered burners cater to diverse cooking styles, while the safety features provide peace of mind. The durable construction and easy conversion between natural gas and LPG offer additional value. While it might lack the advanced features of high-end models, the Forimo cooktop presents a compelling option for home cooks who prioritize affordability and functionality. Who should consider the Forimo gas cooktop? Budget-conscious cooks looking for a powerful and versatile gas cooktop. Home chefs who value safety features like the thermocouple flameout fault system. Individuals who need a cooktop compatible with natural gas or liquefied petroleum gas. Overall, the Forimo 22-inch by 20-inch built-in gas cooktop offers a good balance between affordability and functionality. If you're a home cook seeking a powerful and safe gas cooktop without breaking the bank, the Forimo cooktop is worth considering. However, if advanced features or specific size requirements are crucial for your kitchen, you might want to explore other options available in the market. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.